Hello, this video demonstrates how to apply filters to collection datasets by asset ID. So this script locates in the data processing tools. Follow the instruction here. You can browse all the available Earth Engine filters using this link. There's also quick guides on filtering either feature collection or image collection. Now let's go to the App Pro. In this link, image collection, it's under the guides, image collection, filtering image collection. There is a sample code showing how to filter image collection. Let's just try to replicate what is down here. This one loads image collection Landsat 8, top of atmosphere, and then it filters by date from 2015 to 2018. It applies additional filter by the current range, only from November to February observations. And then it's also intersecting with a point. Then they got this filtered. Let's try it from these scripts. They apply filters to collection datasets. It's by the asset ID. You see, copy the asset ID here. So image collection, B. Those are all the available filters in this list. What you need to do is select this filter and copy the arguments within this parenthesis. Filter by date, and then paste it. Second one, filter calendar range. Paste the arguments. Bounds. Paste the arguments. Once this is done, you can save the filter datasets to a serialized JSON format. So in this case, let's name it as Landsat filtered. Okay. It's very fast. It just manipulates the serialized JSON file. It won't actually do any real computing. It just saves all those filters into the JSON file. If you look at the one we just saved, and then you can see there were 3 filters being applied by date, by the point, filter by the point, and also by the calendar range. To verify if this file is correct, let's add this image collection by serialized objects. So in this case, we can select a set of filters. And then those are all the available images after filters. You can see this only contains from this is January, February, November, December. So everything's from November and December. Let's add one quick 3, 2. Yeah, so this one is located in Africa. Okay, this is how to use filters by asset ID. Well, you can also apply those filters to feature collection. So let's take one for example. Feature collection. Filtering of feature collection. Yeah, so in this one, it got filtered by bounds. We have explained this a little bit. Feature collection sets. There is a filter, it's by filter bounds, geometry. USGS, WPD. Filters. You can see here this rectangle is being written to this serialized JSON format. To load it, we can do add feature collection to map by serialized objects. We can do mesh, SGS, specify the color, let's do red. Script run is done, but not the zoom. Oh, it's here. No, but what is the rectangle? It's supposed to have the rectangle, right? Oh, defining a region roughly covering the continental US. Okay, so that's the correct one. It's covering the entire US. Okay, done.